Yo, New Lonely Island, 2011. Let's get him, kids. Hey, yo, my Harley looking at me like you for real, dude. Hey, yo, hold up. We gotta come harder than that. Yo, tell him, Andy, I think there might be something wrong with my dick. It's like a melted stick of butter, so soft that it can't feel the rubber. Come on, man. This is Lonely Island. People are counting on us.
Haige!
Võid välja tulla? Aivar, kuidas sa kommenteerid oma kapist välja tulekat?
See oli raske.
Näe?
Oli raske, kuidas ema veel ei tea mul.
Murder music. I shit the bed cause my dick played a prank on my butt. Hit him. Straight tripped when I slept and stuck a laxative on suppository music. Oh.